Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Master Guns. This time we're going to be doing something simple. We're going to be smoking a ribeye and then we're going to do a reverse searing on it. We're going to be using salt and pepper. That's it. We're also going to be doing some potatoes with some seasoning on them. We're going to smoke everything in our Masterbuilt Gravity series. So stay tuned because I guarantee you, you're going to like this one.
You are now cooking with the Master Guns.
For our binder, we're going to be using some avocado oil. We're using Himalayan salt. I just think it gives it a little more flavor. So we're going to start off with our pepper. Just kind of rub that in. Now, our Himalayan salt. Side. Once we flip, we're going to go ahead and put more avocado oil on this one. We're going to repeat the process. I like this pink Himalayan salt for seasoning steaks. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to lay some pepper and some salt, and we're just going to run them through. And there we have it. Now for our potatoes, we're just going to cube them. Cut them probably in eighths. Just like that. These are russet potatoes. And what we're going to do with these guys, we're going to put some avocado oil and some seasoning blend that I have. It's pretty much salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, and some dry oregano. Okay, we finished cutting all of our potatoes. We're going to put some avocado oil. So we went ahead and started our charcoal. Once it gets nice and hot and we get rid of all this smoke and we get nice blue smoke in the pit, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on to 225. We're gonna bring our ribeyes and our potatoes, throw them in for about an hour, and then we'll pull them out, crank up the heat to about 600 to 700 degrees, and sear our steaks for 2 minutes on each side. We're gonna dump them in. Spread them out. For our stars of the show, roasted our ribeyes in there. And now we're gonna let them smoke, like I said, at 225 for about an hour. All right, folks, we're gonna go ahead and check them. I have a temperature probe on one of them right now, and it's temping at like right around 140, 145. Also, I went ahead and I switched the positions of them. I had the steaks on this side and the potatoes on this side, and I went ahead and I switched them over because this side of the pit tends to get hotter, and I wanted the potatoes to cook a little faster. So the steaks are on this side right now. Let's check them. All right, so they are temping right at 152. They're a little overdone. We're gonna go ahead and pull them off. Let them rest for a little bit. We're gonna leave the potatoes. Our potatoes still have a little bit ways to go. The steaks cooked a lot faster than the potatoes did. But these steaks are pretty much done. We're gonna pull them out, cover them up, let them rest, and once the potatoes are done, we're gonna crank up the heat on this bad boy to about between 600 to 700, and like I said, we're gonna sear them. All right, so we'll be back. 2 minutes are up. Man, look at those grill marks. Ooh, babe. Oh yeah, definitely. All right, now they're out. We're gonna go ahead and cover them up, take them inside and let them rest for about 10 minutes, and then we'll plate everything and we'll do a taste test. All right, folks, there we go. Look at that, super tender. Came out medium to well done. The smell is really good. Nothing better than just plain old salt and pepper. I can taste the smoke on it, but it has the crust from when we seared it. As far as the potatoes go, the potato slayer seasoning tastes really, really good on them. They're crunchy on the outside, but soft on the inside. Delicious. All right, folks, that about does it for this cook. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and do me a favor. Hit those like buttons and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Cooking with Master Guns. Until next time, hoorah, semper fi.